Uh, talk clear when you speak, paper talk, cripple talk, ayy, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things, ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings, ayy. Articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laughing at you talk, you can't structure things. While I structure entries, exascaling things. You scream moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect and patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect, clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price go in, I say fix things. Rocker don't care how you bend things. Liquidy sweet, then reversal brings things. Or you buy tops and pray for things. I'm my bad sentences, not people or things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic, sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats, quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Yeah. You ain't got no chicken wings. I don't flex cars, I flex correct things. Syntax clean like my ledger things. You misplace words like you misplace things. Yeah. Then blame the market for your things. I roast back right, keep it light things. Same way I roast bad in trees and things. You click by it and hope and clean the things. I wait for setups, discipline brings things. Talk reckless, wallet thin things. Talk precise, portfolio sings things. Every candle close, whispering things. Why you shop predictions, loud things. End of day, numbers settle things. Truth don't care how you phrase things. Bitcoin don't listen to broken things. Only respect, structure, patience, things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Say it clear, stand tall, talk like kings. Chart sprint, true, cut lies with strings. Eat good things, sharp, elevate things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you argue over silly things. Bitcoin pay the rent, bought time, bought things. Crown locked in place, generation, no kings. You ain't got no chicken wings.
You ain't got no chicken wings, but did you get into some crypto? That is the question. Here we go. In 3, 2, and a 1. Bingo bango. I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization, acronyms, new terms, new strategies. We just make it not as difficult. Trading level by level. Trends, that's what we trade, level by level. So I do thank you guys for being here. Thank you for smashing the like. You guys are the absolute best. Let's say hi to the chat really quick. We'll say hi to the chat as we go through the show. We got we were just on Crypto Coin Mindset's channel. LBC was there, of course I'm there. We have JR there as well, and then of course Keith, the host. We're all on here, just talking about just different stuff. And Shuby, and of course the AI lover. So give you a heads up, Crypto Padel, the AI lover. All right. But just to let you know, I do thank you guys very much for being here. We're going to say hi to the chat. We have Doc the Goat. Doc the Goat. My camera just went off. Just double check. Okay. Little one is by the door, but he's not looking to come in, so we're good. Doc the Goat was first, and I appreciate you very much. Thank you for smashing the like. We have Newbie Crypto in the house. Newbie says, yo, where are my traders at? Let's go. Let's go. And we're doing our steps, guys. We are doing our steps. So, of course, I have a treadmill with the stand-up desk and just trying to not gain weight. Well, actually, it's more so just moving more. So that's what I'm doing. All right, let's see here. Newbie Crypto says, where are my crypto meteorologists at? LOL. Good evening, everyone. Yes, indeed. Good evening to you. Striker Heart in the house. Thank you for being here. We got Bobby. What's up, Bobby? Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much for being here as well. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. And let me just put my camera on my other screen. Very good. Okay. All right, very good. Let's see, Crypto Bubbles on the daily. Now, if you have any questions regarding trading, strategies, coins, thought process on certain entries or whatever, let me know. That's what we're here for. We give you 1 hour of free mentorship. 1 hour. And you don't need to pay me to learn how to trade. I show you here. Ask questions. All right, so we are looking at Crypto Bubbles on the daily. We have Tau up 20%. Good Lord. Pippin up 18.2%. Pump. There's quite a few double-digit green. Double-digit green. Quite a few of them. Now, granted, we have, I don't even remember how many thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions, not thousands, of course, cryptos out there. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So under 10, about under 10 are in double digits. Let that sink in. Yes, you know, ZEC went 19.4%, but it's gone down, or it's been down so much. So just kind of let you know, just because we have these pumps, not going to, all-time highs, in my opinion. All right, let's go to the hourly time frame. Let's see here. Joe Printing with the long yesterday. Nice. Very nice. Did I enter that here? I don't remember if I entered that here. I know I entered, or if I did, I moved my stop loss. But I did get it this morning. I made a video for my group in reference to that, and also BNB. Made that this morning. But Crypto Bubbles on the hourly. On the hourly, we have green. Does this mean Bitcoin's going up? We're going to find out in just a moment. We got Meet Damien in the house. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you for smashing the like. Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We were at 9, and now we are at 9. I thought it was going to be like 15 or something. Boring. Liquidity heat map. First in the page. We're going to look at the 24-hour time frame. Dang it. And I forgot to log in again. So it's just going to give us this one. That's fine. 24-hour time frame. We have this checked as well. So it makes us look fancy. Instead of looking like a noob, instead of having this, our friend Crypto Change Me told us that we can change it to this. I don't know about you, but I look, I feel, and I think I'm smarter because of it. Right now we have liquidations being built to the top side and the bottom. Really tough to say because we're right in the middle again. And if we go up, maybe it might just be a fake out to come down. You potentially go back up. We'll see. But I don't think I can change the time frame. I don't know why it's making me log in. I'm not liking CoinGlass anymore. CoinGlass is not my friend. So here, this is a zone we need to bounce. Look at this, guys. I can't make this stuff up. Look at that. It was over, well, first it was way over here. Then we moved over here. Boom, bounced. Doesn't mean that it has to. Boom, bounce. It needs to respect this zone. And this applies to any coin. Any coin. If it breaks the zone, oh crap. You know, this is the uh-oh. You know, we come down wide a bit. Potentially. I don't know. I wish I did. I wish I did know. Let's go to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, thought process yesterday was potentially for us to go up. Again, I don't know what's going to happen, but from here, I'm thinking we may come up to maybe roll over. And this is why this zone is really important. And this level is even more important. We do not want to cross 65,414. This is on Binance. Yours may be different. It's on the 1 hour time frame. Now, granted, what I do is I show you the thought process that we had the previous day. And we just go over it. Did it work? Did it not work? What ended up happening? And we dissect the movement, because again, we don't know what's going to happen. A lot of other traders, what they'll do is they'll show you how you could have made money, what you should have done, how you would have been profitable if you would have done the R2D2 schematic versus the R14 schematic. What? How do you make money in the moment? That's what I show you. I don't show you after the fact. Anyway, so price was here. And I'm thinking we could go up to roll over. We don't want to break out of this zone, but if we break out of this zone, we definitely don't want to break this level, because then, sad face, if you're going long, we could continue coming down and taking all this and continue doing lower highs, lower lows. Not good. Not good. Now, the thought process, we could come up to about here. This is our level that we're watching. And we just broke right through it. Broke right through it. I thought we were going to come up to it, pull back, come up to here, to our box, our zone. Well, we came up to our zone. We had a pullback, but very slight pullback. Very slight. Infinite Team TA, my man. What's up, buddy? What's going on? Appreciate you for being here. D9U says another like. I love it. Now, this part I don't like. Crypto Squid in the house. What's going on, man? Thank you for being here. So newbie crypto, I know you like scalps. Crypto Squid, in my opinion, is the one to watch. In my opinion, because he shows you scalp trading, very low time frame, in out, pretty much like what you like to do. So, and I saw you in there last night too. Again. So, you know, be checking out Crypto Squid, man. Dude's a beast. Dude's an absolute beast. And he's in JR's Discord too. But I do not want you in there. I do not want you in JR's Discord, because we do live trades and we do all that other stuff. So I don't want you in there. Hit the like, people. Hit the like. So here we go. So I'm thinking we're going to come up to here. And we did. To pull back to about here. And we didn't, not yet. Would it be healthy for us to go and break out of this zone right now? Nope, sure wouldn't. Because if we do, without a proper pullback, when we do roll over, there's a really good chance, because we've gone up so much, that we take about 50% of that move. So not good. Yeah. Crypto Squid is the real deal for sure. Yeah. And that's because he trades scalping, and that's your type of trading. So yeah, as soon as I saw that you were that type of trader, I was like, Crypto Squid's your dude. So good. Good. Let's see here. Now, if we come up more, let me kind of zoom out a little bit. Let me hide all this junk so I can, and what I'm doing is I'm looking at the candle bodies. So like this right here, See how we moved up? Beautiful retrace, beautiful. You know, we want to see a 38, 50% pullback. Beautiful. Then it came up, broke this, which is great. Now what we don't want is we don't want to break this level. If we break this level, we got to start watching out for lower highs, lower lows, to where we can come and take all of this. Well, we end up breaking that level. We broke it right here. We came down, we came up, bumped our head, not looking good. Broke this new level, coming down, not looking good. So it can continue not looking good, lower highs, lower lows, until it breaks a level. So because it's breaking this level, now it's like, okay, well, this might be the start of an uptrend. Even if it's a small uptrend, and this right here, because this, you can see, I mean, we've been bumping our head at this level. It's about 71.4. If we come up to this level and we can't break above it, not good. And we need to break above it already, in my opinion. But what I'm saying is, since we're going up and kind of going sideways, and if we continue going up, when we pull back, I would think about 50% of this extension leg, I would think that it'd be about right here. So if we do make it up to here without going back first or pulling back, then I would look for a retrace to around right where it's at, 68. Let's see here. Newbie Crypto says, I do swing trades as well, but obviously I scalp much more. Yeah, scalping's fun. I prefer scalping, and I love it when scalping turns into a swing trade. Those are the best ones, because you didn't expect it to be in so long, but you're in it and it continues going, continues printing, and now you're like, okay, well, I just move into my stop loss, or moving my stop loss until I get stopped out. So yeah, those are my favorite trades. Crypto Squid says, I watch Joe to get the real TA, so I know what I'm doing in the future when scalping. That's funny. But with Crypto Squid, I mean, he's so zoomed in, and he's got certain things that he's looking for. When it happens, boom, he gets in. So that's it. Like, and that's the thing too. Like, if I wanted to not know what's might happen, you know, the next couple of days, or, you know, the overall, you don't need all this stuff. If you're doing scalping, like the highest time frame you need maybe is an hour, but not even that. 15 minutes, the highest time frame. So if I'm doing just scalps, I can see the general direction where I think it might go. Let's say long, for example. I'm not saying that here, but, you know, overall bigger picture, long. However, my scalps will be short because it's at resistance or at a level, or for whatever reason, maybe it already moved and I'm expecting a pullback. And then let's say that scalp continues going and going and going. Cool. You know, eventually, maybe the next day or two goes up. Newbie Crypto says, my thought process for swing and scalps is the same. I don't predict on either. I react. 100%. 100%. And that's what we do. What we do is we react. Now, this, as far as my thought process, is not so much predicting, it's reacting. Now, granted, sometimes these things are spot on, like scary spot on, as far as where we find support, resistance. Other times they're way off. But what we're doing is we're reacting, and that's why I'm always saying level by level. Just because I think we might go to here, you know, as far as our plan A, doesn't mean that we will, because we could do this, and then let's say here we pull back. Let's draw it out. Let's say here we go up, we roll over, we lose this level. Uh-oh. Now, granted, it didn't happen here, but now it's happening here, and then it's like, okay, well, I guess we're going short. You know, we couldn't bounce here, we couldn't bounce here. We got rejected, and then we broke this level. Not good. Last resort right here. Couldn't do it. And then, let's say we do this. Okay, well, I guess this was just a trap. Again, because we don't know. We're reacting. And if you do patterns or moving averages or whatever, you can see that, oh, okay, well, now it's going up. And if you're scalping, you know, you're just focusing on the current movement. If you're doing like a swing trade, you have to zoom out. You know, what's the trend doing? Are we potentially continuing the trend or possibly reversing? So yeah, but that's that. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? Let me know. Let me know. Oh man. But right now, I do not want it to break this zone right now. What I want is I want it to pull back. About here's fine. Maybe even a little lower before going up. This is what I would like to see. And this is from the video this morning, I believe. I do so many videos. I think it's a video from this morning. I suffered from analysis paralysis in the past. My trading changed when I stopped analyzing and started reacting. Yep. You have to react. And again, this is why I trade level by level. Because you could have a big old nice thesis, you know, of what, you know, should happen, what will happen. But those words will get you in danger. Because it's the price action can do whatever it wants. So whenever we're doing it, this is what it might do. It can, it possibly, because what that does, it gives us time, and we're looking out for the potential pivots so we can react to them and then adjust, not change, but adjust our thought process. So it's like, oh, well, now it's not looking good. So more than likely it's pulling back. But yeah. But hey, predicting different possibilities works for some, I guess. Yeah. So whenever I'm doing this, what I'm doing is I'm showing you the potential to where we have to react from. And that's the main thing. Because again, I don't know what's gonna happen. I wish I did. I really do. I say that all the time. Like there's a lot of times where I'll do this and man, I'm like spot on, like every pivot, at least like three moves, and then it might deviate or I didn't continue it. But I never, I know everything and follow me and join my VIP. Nah, man, like nobody knows what's going to happen. Like we are literally at the mercy of price action. That's why if we come up and we roll over and we break this level, well, guess what? There's a good chance we're not going to come up from here. We may pull back to here, and then now we start all over again. We go and now we're trying to break the high. Yeah. Let's see here. Yeah, for me, like I really hope that y'all don't think this is me predicting what might happen. Because I say this on air, and if you do, open your ears, please, for the love of God, open your ears. Because I don't predict what might happen. I show you the path that the price may take, but it can always reverse. And I always say that, like, nobody knows what's going to happen. And that's what we're doing is if it reverses, then it's like, oh, no, because we're reacting to it. Like, nope, I'm not liking it. And I'll update my group. But yeah, let's see here. Crypto Squid says, this is why I became a scalper. By the time I analyzed the charts and stuff to get into positions, there was 20. They already happened. Just scalp them. Very true. Very true. Yeah. Each of your own, yeah. And it depends what type of trader you are. You're a scalper. I love scalping. I love swing trading. Investing is the easiest thing. But yeah, to each your own. Not only that, but trading styles, risk management, like everybody's different. Yeah. Very true. When I did that, my portfolio blew up in a good way. There you go. There you go. But yeah, it's good. It's very good. So if we were going to scalp this, just for funsies. Oh, here's my video, I think. I think the price is here. I don't even know. No. Let's see. I mean teaching. Oh, I don't have it on my. That's so dumb, man. I have drawings on my other computer with this layout, with the exchange and with this pair, and it's not showing here. Come on, TradingView, get with the program. You want me to give you more money? You got a Valentine's Day sale. Anyway, but if I was looking at this for a scalperoonie, not looking good. To me, this is screaming short. Extreme screaming short. Why? Well, because we went up. We went up so much. We went up. No retrace. Continue going up. Everybody who's shorting is getting wrecked. Continue going up, coming down. And now it's kind of, and people who trade patterns, oh, this is a bull pennant. No. I mean, it is a bull pennant, but it looks very, very dangerous. So on the 15-minute time frame, let me move up my stop loss. 1 second, guys. I'm gonna move my stop loss like super tight. For a safer short, it would be better to wait for a 15-minute candle close below 68.7. But and your target, well, if you're gonna short, my opinion, like anywhere here, like a good 1% to maybe 1 point. Let me zoom out a little bit. But let me move my stop loss real quick. Let me move my stop loss. Give me a moment, because I think we're gonna come down. 1 second. Be right back. I gotta go to the other computer. Hold on. And no, I'm not doing this just to get off the treadmill, the stepper. Moving up my stop loss. Really tight. I'm really upset that this doesn't show you my. Oh, it's BNB. That's why. Yeah, BNB. 1 second. Okay. So I was just doing a little 10xer, but I'm gonna do a short. I'll do it 10x as well. No, I'll do a 3x. We'll do a 3x short. And I know it's difficult to hear me. So 1 second. It's gonna be like a 1-to-1. So I'm gonna do a short 3x, nothing too crazy. With the stop loss 69601.4. I just put the trade in. It just hit. Okay. Coming back. Put a 1 in the chat, guys, if you're here. Put a 1 in the chat if you are still here. So I just entered the trade for a short. I moved up my stop loss really, really tight on Bitcoin. Just because, I mean, this looks so juicy to come down. So incredibly juicy. And my stop loss is right here. We got JR in the house. What's up, JR? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you greatly. Let's catch up on the chats. Here. Crypto Squid says, and if you look at some of the YouTube influencers that swing and go long trades, they are so that's a hard word for me. Scalloping too, and do it more. I don't know what that means. Trading definitely matches personality as well. True. I mean, scalping. Very true. I am personally starting to believe most TA or the idea of TA doesn't work just because there are too many uncontrollable variables in trading. My man. So for me, this is why I always mention nobody knows what's going to happen. You can have indicators, you can have whatever. And whenever you hear somebody say it will do this because this happened, it has to do. Nothing's a sure thing. The only sure thing, price will go up, price will go down. That's it. And what we got to do is react to it and trade it. So yeah. So here, I am already in a short. LOL. I got in from the top earlier today. Nice. Well, I just got home. Just saw this. Saw I was in profit. Saw my first target hit. Moved to my stop loss earlier, like literally like an hour, maybe like 40 minutes ago, I guess. And right now, since I'm here, it's like, oh, let me move it up really, really tight. But yeah, I'm glad we're measuring. I'm glad you're newbie crypto. You're the type of dude. There can be 10 urinals, and I am, maybe like 4 away from the wall, and you pass 6, 7 urinals, and you go right by me, and you do this number. That's who you are, my friend. I'm already in a short. Well, good for you. I'm glad. I'm glad. But get away from me, man. You're in my urinal. I agree, newbie. By the time they analyze, it gets done. But yeah, it just depends. It depends on how long it takes you to analyze and how fast you're looking for the move to happen. But yeah, it depends on the trader, really. If you can spot this really, like, you don't even need a chart or anything. You're like, oh, looks bad. But yeah, see here. And see here, the charts have completely changed due to news. Man, I hate that. But yeah, that's one thing I really do hate, because you can have a perfect setup, everything can be perfect, and some dumb tweet or news or whatever, and then it goes to crap. And sometimes when it's bad news, the coin pumps. Sometimes when it's bad news, the coin dumps. So there's another variable. So yeah, trading really is based on order flow. Supply and demand. Supply and demand is constantly changing. Yes, it is. And the next time they TA, it's completely different from the first one. Yeah. And that's because there's more data. There's more data. But yeah. So what we got to do is we have to react to what happens. Let's see here. Attaboy, Joe. Make that money. Let's go. Oh, let's go. The Crypto Squid says, but I do like the guys doing TA when I see it that day, because it lets me know for the day I'm going to go short run. Yeah, and even seeing that too, like, even if like everything's bullish, everything looks great, bullish, because you scalp. Same thing with cryptos, with newbie crypto and any scalper really, because we have bullish news, doesn't mean necessarily you're going to trade bullish, because it could have moved a lot and now it's like, oh man, now it looks like it's going to do a pullback, so let me short it. And then you make a couple hundred, couple thousand, couple cents, whatever it is, but like, you're making money because you scalp. So yeah. Price is low, you buy. When the price goes up, you sell and control risk. That's it. There you go. And there you go. About to take TP1. Let's go. I'm about to use some TP. Oh my gosh. You're funny. Let's look at Pippin. Tell me if you would long or short it. Yeah, definitely. Let's look at Pippin. Pippin. I think we were playing with Pippin in JR's Discord Holy smokes. I think we're... Man, was I trying to short Pippin? I think I was trying to short Pippin. Wait, did I short Pippin? I don't remember if I tried to short Pippin. I think I did try to short Pippin. Yeah, I did. This was a day or two ago. I don't remember. I got lucky though. I'm not gonna lie. I got lucky. Maybe it was here. I don't even know. February 10. Maybe. I don't know. But I ended up taking the short. And of course, we have another guy, kind of, who does the same thing with the urinals. Goes right by you. And the next one is like, guys, I told him I was outside smoking. And I said, hey guys, like, I don't know if you saw it, but I moved my stop loss to profit. First target hit, move stop loss. And one of the guys, urinal guy, oh, I caught the top. I caught the absolute top, and I already taken TP1. I was like, okay, man, we're not measuring here. Like, I'm just letting y'all know that I'm moving my stop loss. Oh, yeah, that's cool. And then stop got hit after the TP1. I don't think my TP2 hit. And then I haven't looked at it since. But yeah, don't be a urinal guy. Nobody likes that guy. Just saying. Nibby Crypto says you're funny. Yeah, but don't be a urinal guy. Nobody likes it, dude. Nobody. If you're making money, good. But oh, I caught the top. I'm nobody likes that, dude. Like, I'm telling you 100%. Like, I don't know if you have friends, but I'm that guy that, you know, we'll be partying. I show up, you're there, you're talking to a bunch of guys and girls, whatever. And I'll go, hey man, newbie, let me talk to you real quick. Hey, what's up, Joe? Newbie, crypto, man, are you kidding me? You got a big old clinger right here, dude. And all the girls are looking up at you. You know, you think you're having a good time, and they're laughing at you or laughing with you. But dude, you got a clinger. Go to the restroom, take care of it. Oh, my bad, yeah. And then you go to the restroom, and you're like, sure enough, you got a big old freaking booger. I'm the guy that will tell you, dude, you know, I'm that type of friend. So I'm telling you right now, newbie crypto, nobody likes when somebody's doing a thing. Oh, I got the top, or I got the bottom, or I've already taken 17 profits already, and you're just getting in. Nobody likes that. Give you a heads up. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Going down the list. Oh yeah, so when I short, oh man, this has been wrecking shorts for a long time. This move right here was so wicked. And so same thing, like, we're looking for pivots. You know, if it breaks this pivot, well, it's a continuation of, man, it's gonna more than likely come down pretty good. And it doesn't. And it comes up here, comes down. Okay, nice retracement. If we're trying to short, hopefully it doesn't break this level. Hopefully we break this level. It comes up, we're looking for the rollover. It doesn't happen. We break a high. Okay, fine. We haven't broken this high. So hopefully we can break this low for a safer entry. Safer entry here. And then we come up, we break this. Okay, cool. We have this as resistance. More than likely, we're in it, you know, and people are shorting because they're trying to catch the top. And boom, man, I wouldn't touch this one. It's too dangerous. Now, can you do it and be the guy at the urinal and say, well, I caught the top and it went down 80%, no leverage? Yeah, you can be that guy, but nobody likes the guy in the urinal. Nobody. Man, like this is way too risky. Could you enter a short and it comes up here and you add to your short? It comes up here and you add to your short, and it comes up here and you add to your short, and then finally starts going down and now you're in profit due to you adding, and then you sell and you make money. And that way you can brag on X, how great of a trader you are. Sure, of course. So many do that. But you know, if that's your plan to scale in until you're in profit and it's working, keep on doing it. But if you're like, oh man, this is the top right here, you know, I called it, this is the top, and it's like, uh-oh, and then you add to it, and it's like, you call this as the top, you know what I mean? So anyway, see here, I counter trade a lot. Ask me, Damien. Yeah. Yeah, now if you counter trade, that's cool. But you're the guy at the urinal announcing, oh, you're longing? Well, guess what? I'm shorting. I know more than you. I'm better than you. Blah, blah, blah. You know, let's have a sword fight. Yay. Nobody likes that. Nobody. I'm telling you, dude, like I will be the most honest person. I'll be the guy that says, hey man, you got a clinger. Go take care of it. I'm that guy. Other people, they're just, oh yeah, that's cool, that's cool. And they're like, dude, they're just staring at your booger. I'll tell you, as soon as I see, oh man, no. Dang, Pippin is topping. Yeah, it is. I wouldn't touch it. Too dangerous for a long, too dangerous for a short. And could you enter this one and make 80%? Yeah. I'm sure, you know, if you're the guy at the urinal, you'll tell me about it tomorrow. You made amazing money. But if it dumps, I'm sure the short played out. I mean, that's good. That's good that people make money doing, you know, longs and shorts or whatever. It's just, it's the way you do it. It's the etiquette. So here, we got John in the house. Rashi John, what's going on, man? What's going on? Appreciate you, man, being here. Do you guys see that coin was moving? That to me is a poop coin. I've never heard of it. Could it be amazing? Sure. But I guarantee it, it's a poop coin. But let's check it out. Let us check it out. So Pippin, I wouldn't touch. USRX. And X this. And let's go USDT. USRX. I'm assuming it's a stock because it has RS in it. Nope. Either I'm typing it wrong or you're typing it wrong. I don't see it anywhere here. I see here. Newbie. Oh man, I'm way behind. Me Damien says newbie crypto is comical. He tries to counter trade everybody. I'm going to wait until gold hits new all-time highs and say I'm shorting it. Just to see if newbie will log. Nice. Nice. I didn't get any, just saw it was crypto. More than likely, it's like on a DEX or something. I don't even know. Let's check it out. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's trash. Joe, that's so mean. I'm that guy to tell you you have a booger, man. I'm telling you right now. USRX. Yeah. Yeah, there's not, it's on like Solana or some BS. It's like I don't even know which one it is. I'm assuming this one because it went up. But these are all trash. These are all pump and dumps. Yeah, so be very careful. Whoever posted this, as far as like whatever group you're following or whatever person on X you're following or whatever, anything, be careful. Because what they do is they trick new traders. And they're like, yeah, guys, you know, we got into a coin yesterday, went 50x and blah, blah. Tomorrow we have another one. And this one's guaranteed 80x. And all they're doing is they're buying poop coins, pushing it to their group of people who don't know how to trade or very new to trading. And they are getting wrecked. The new traders are getting wrecked because they're buying these coins that the owner of the group has already bought at a very low price. and is using the new people to buy in to pump his bags. And he is selling on you. Whoever you're following, I guarantee that's what they're doing. Be very careful. You've been warned. They are wrecking their viewers. Tell you that right now. 100%. 100%. So be very careful. There's a lot of people on X that love doing this. They'll post a coin that's $50 or $500,000 market cap. $500,000. That's nothing. They get all their thousands and thousands of people that follow them to buy, and guess what happens? It moves 800%, and they look like a freaking genius. But all they're doing is wrecking the traders. So I'll give you a heads up. All right, moving on. See here. You're the really one, Vato. Let's go. Let's go. You're the real one, Vato. I'm telling you, man, I am. I gotta tell you how it is. Some people love it, and some people hate it. For me, I'm so old that I don't care. My circle of people will have the people that, like, oh, Joe's just speaking his mind. To me, I would really like to have a friend that would do that. Let's say we're gonna go to a house party, and I think I'm looking good, and we go in your vehicle for whatever reason, and there's and it's a nice, nice shirt, collar and everything, but my shirt has a hole in it. I didn't know. It's where I can't see it. I would hope for the love of God, that you would be that dude. Say, dude, you got a hole in your shirt? Oh man, I didn't even know where. Dude, I gotta go back. I gotta go back home, man. I gotta change. Instead of, because so many people do this, so many, they'll see the hole, they won't say nothing. Then you go to the party, and you're meeting new people, and they see that you have not good. So you would not be a good friend. Me, on the other hand, hey man, you think it's Sunday? What do you mean? You're wearing your holy shirt. Come on, man. Oh, I didn't even know. Yeah, I'm that guy. Me, Damien says, it was easy to catch the top of Bitcoin today. It's been trading sideways at the highest of the day for hours. Let's go. I'm said I would TP1 because it's holding up, and that's not a good sign for my short. Not because you just got it. Yes. Medium says, I think Pippin will head to 80 cents based off of the fib extension. Yeah. So here's the thing. With fib extensions, the price way up here. Extensions way up here. Now, you give it enough time and it'll reach it. Now, it doesn't have to reach it right now. No. Could the price come down because it's done nothing but go up? Yeah, sure, of course. Good people continue to FOMO into it because they don't know how to trade. Yeah, of course. Could it continue? Yeah, sure. But the likelihood of it coming down, the higher it goes up, increases dramatically. If that did not make sense, let me say it again. Because the price is going up very, very steeply, when it pulls back down, granted, it might not go as fast as I think it might, but I'm pretty sure it'll go fast. But I don't know. And it'll continue, the price will continue going up until it goes down. So, the fib extension of 80 cents, could we hit it right now? Sure. Could we retrace a little bit to maybe 43 cents before continuing up and then finally hitting it? Sure. But holy smokes, we got money power. Respects crypto is now my favorite. Money power, appreciate you, man. Thank you for signing up to the YouTube and subscribing. So I appreciate you. You're the best. And now my favorite. But yeah, do I think that Pippin is due for a retrace? Yeah, by a lot. Why? Because it's done nothing but gone up. Yeah. Also, Pippin still has momentum and money flow to go up. Yeah, I think money flow is so... Money flow to me is like watching a movie with your buddy, and your buddy is telling you about the movie y'all are both watching. Hey man, you see that explosion? Dude, I'm watching the same movie. Oh man, that chick is pretty hot. You know, whatever. Dude, I'm watching the same movie, man. Money flow tells you, in my opinion, what's happening on the chart. I can tell you right now, money flow is going up. Joe, are you psychic or something? You don't even have money flow on your chart. No, I can see the candles going up, and money flow is coming down here. Are you psychic? Money flow was going up here, and then started kind of going sideways, and kind of started going down as we go. Yeah, because it's this. I can see this. Money Power says, nice stream, brother. Appreciate you, man. Thank you. What we do here is we show you how to trade without charging you how to trade. You know, we show you the thought process. We show you the reality of trading. There's a lot of traders out there that love to show you after the fact. This is look right here. We bought them. Then this is where we entered, and blah blah. And oh yeah, well they don't tell you when they entered here and here and here and here and here and here, but they'll tell you when they entered here, and now they're up. Whatever. We'll show you in the moment. That's what we do. But yeah, to me, it's due for a retrace. We'll see. Let's see here. Got 10 up on the chats. See here. John says, I didn't get any, just saw. Okay, we saw that. See here. Very nice. John says, I believe you, a friend, got it a few days ago. He made some money. I wouldn't get it. Yeah. Referring to that coin that we couldn't find. It's a trash coin. I'm telling you right now, it's trash. And be careful with what your friend tells you as far as coins to get into, because he's following somebody who's trash. Like I said, I'm the guy who keeps it real. And thank you, JR. Appreciate you, man. Here, Newbie Crypto says, I'd probably scalp long Pippin. Definitely wouldn't swing trade it. Yeah. So if we were going to scalp long, if we're going to scalp long, depends on the leverage. Okay. Oh yeah. So as long as we did not break this level, 0.58289, we're okay. You know, could we, I would like to see it pull back to about 59.72, because that is a nice area. We'll pull it from here, the low to the high. Okay. So this right around, let's see here. It barely pulled back. So what I would like to see, and this amount is not 4%. Shoot, man, you could do an entry, and I'm not saying enter. Again, it's very, like, I would literally have to be watching this. Not only that, I do my cheat sheet where I have all my moving averages, my VWAP. I would love to see it pull back to the VWAP. But this is nothing. It's like 1%. It's nothing. So again, as long as you're not trading high leverage, there's a few different levels. So the white line is my 9 SMA. The yellow is my 30 SMA. Then my red line is 50 SMA. And we have our VWAP. And then our yellow is our 200 SMA. Now we have 9, 30, 50, 200 in sequential order. This is extremely strong. Extremely strong. Until the moving averages start crossing below each other, then You know, that just means price coming down. But if you wanted to, because this is like really nothing, you could enter now. You could enter now. And we'll do all these in white. You could enter now with a lower entry and a few lower entries. That way, if it does come down, which hopefully it does, about 2%, then you could get, well, let's do it like this. Blue is lower entry. Where you have a lower entry here, you enter, have a lower entry, and then just for funsies, because it's only 4%, have another lower entry here. And so I would be okay with it pulling back 4%. And then I would have my stop loss about 5.5%. So here's where the trick comes in. If you don't know how to trade, do not trade this. Because this is a little bit more, because you have to do math. Math is boring. Math is for nerds. Nerd. So let's say, simple math. You only want to lose $1. Simple math. You only want to lose $1. Well, what you do is you're going to enter here, but with very little money, like a 2x leverage, you would enter and you would have it to where you only lose. Let's do some math. Well, let's do like this. You only lose, let's say 25 cents. Again, just simple math. And that would be for this entry. And then this entry, we would lose, because I think I would like to see it pull back here. We would adjust our margin to where we would lose 0.50 cents because we're putting in more margin. So right now we're at 75 cents. So for this one, right, guys are brainiacs, nerd, we could only lose 25 cents. So the amount of margin depends on how much we're willing to lose. So here, if we entered it and it came down and hit our lower entry and our other lower entry, and then we got stopped out, it's like, crap. But we only lost $1. And here would have been our first entry. And if it goes up and it doesn't hit our lower entries, oh man, so sad. You're in profit. Get over it. Move your stop loss up. And as it continues going up, well, then you can take profit up here, move your stop into profit, and now you're good. So that is my scalping method. And if I was not on this computer and the other computer, this is what I would have done. But woulda, coulda, shoulda, woulda. That's okay. See, those candles are strong. Yes. Thanks, Ken. You're welcome. Is it every time? Oh, snap. So we're doing our stepper. This is a treadmill, but I call it the stepper. For 54 minutes. We have traveled 0.89 miles. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Not only are we making money, but we're also making steps. I like it. Thank you, Sugarheart. You're the best, man. And my favorite. Price action tells you everything you need. 100%. Yeah. I just like moving averages for confirmation. And the VWAP as well, because they're all averages. So I like that. Wouldn't short it either. Yeah, for me, like in order for me to short it, let me hide all this junk. And hide all my things. Yeah, shorting it would be, come on, I said hide. Shorting it would be extremely difficult because we have had nothing but like so many times that people would have shorted, got stopped out. You know, shorted, stopped out. And maybe shorted here, made money. Then comes up, then I'd be afraid to short here. I'd be afraid to here. maybe here. And then if I would have shorted, man, I would have been wrecked. But stop losses. So in order for me to short, it would, man, because I'd be kind of risky. My first, I would do 2 entries. One, 15-minute candle closes underneath 0.57855. Then my second one entry would be the 15-minute candle close underneath 0.55479. So basically pivots. And again, just reacting to this. But that's my thought process. And that's how I trade. That's how I scalp. And there's times where my lower entries don't hit, but I'm okay with it. Because guess what? I still made money. And then I move my stop into profit. And then the worst thing I can do is get stopped out in profit. So yeah. So very good. All right. So let us see. Let's look at Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin hasn't moved yet. Okay. All right. So that is going to be it for me, guys. I do thank you very much. Let's see who is live at the moment. That's me. There I am. A little gordito, little fat boy. But we're doing our steps. We're doing our steps. One step at a time, guys. One step at a time. Let's go to the customization. Let's go to redirect. Let's click in here. Crypto coin. Oh, he's still live. Okay, cool. I was like, what? He's live. But I don't know if he's still live. We have Road Dog. Road Dog start. Oh, it starts right now. Let's see here. Are we going to go to Road Dog or? Pretty sure go to Road Dog. Let's go to Road Dog. I love Crypto Squid. Crypto Squid's going live right now. I think last time we went to Crypto Squid, let's go to Road Dog. Let's show Road Dog some love. And same thing, if you can put Trade Intuition Raid, that really helps support the channel. And I do thank you guys very much. And now it's time for me to find this dumb off button on the stepper. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you in the next video. Again, as a reminder, do not be that guy at the urinal. But there's so many urinals that you can use, and you go right up next to the dude. Don't do that. I do thank you guys very much. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, as always, trade safe, have a stop loss, and we'll see you on the next video. Till then, as always, let's make this money. Take care. See you tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. Where's this dumb off button? Travel 59 minutes, 0.97 miles. I'm gonna do it till it says 1 mile. All right, guys, thank you so much. And no off button for a few more minutes. Take care. See ya.